Let's take a look at using the camera tool in Excel. It's great for building complex dashboards with different sizes because it acts as a live snapshot where your data will update dynamically. So in order to activate this, go ahead and go to the top, click this little drop down, and go to More Commands. Once you're in this tab, instead of popular commands, go ahead and activate the All commands and scroll down until you find the camera. So once you've found the camera, go ahead and add it. And when you add it, click OK, and you'll notice that this little camera icon shows up at the top. So when you're ready to use it, go ahead and highlight the data that you want to use the camera tool with, click it, and then go ahead and click again in order to create your image. So now this is a live image. You can modify its size any way you want to. So notice how we can pinch it in, and we can also rotate it like this. And watch what happens when I change these different status. It will change in our live snapshot as well. So say for the status, we can put behind. See how it changes the status, and then say our growth has gone down to 5%. The growth updates as well. And then say our total revenue, it dropped by a lot. The total revenue updates as well. So this is a great tool to use so you can resize your images and then build out your dashboards.